Hey there! Today, we are going to guide you through features available to you as an agent in Dialer. You will learn how to access the auto dialer system, what to do if you forgot your password, and what components the dialer includes. To start, log into your Dialer account. Your manager will send you the login link as well as your credentials. The system will ask you to create a permanent password upon your first login. After you've changed the password, log in with the new one. If two-factor authentication is enabled for your account, you also need to perform the second step, verification by email or verification by Google Authenticator. If you forgot your password, click the respective link on the login screen. Then, submit your username or email to reset the password. Make sure the email you provide is correct and registered with your Dialer user account. A link to change your password will be sent to your email. After logging into the Dialer, you enter the agent's workspace. First, let's take a look at your dashboard. We will start with the page header. Here, you can see the Dialer icon that returns you to the dashboard from any other page. This shortcut will not work if you are clocked in or in a manual call. The Workspace menu gives you access to all your working options. The navigation search bar will help you find the needed lead and navigate across the menu. The Wi-Fi sign shows the quality of your internet connection. Hovering over the avatar icon, you can check your extension, change your state, clock in to receive calls in the predictive mode, or log out from your account. Below, you can find widgets with your performance data, statistics cubes, your meeting card, and calling performance graph. Feel free to customize your dashboard. Add any suggested widget and select the time frame for it. In the edit mode, you can also move the cubes around or delete widgets. After that, don't forget to save your changes. Now let's go over the Workspace menu at the top of the page and see what it suggests. If you click Recent Calls, you will access the list of your 30 latest calls, with missed calls on a dedicated tab. You can apply multiple filters to see any specific calls. The Contacts option will open the list of your scheduled calls. Find more about call scheduling in another guide. From here, you can switch to the Lead Search page, where you can apply filters to get detailed search results on leads. Simple and advanced search options are available. Predictive Dialer is where you start the auto dialing mode. For details about predictive dialing, please see a dedicated article. Agents who use any softphone with the dialer can manually call leads and talk to them. However, they have no option to change the lead status or leave a comment after the call. Follow the link to find more information about available calling options. Finally, to log out of your account, hover over your avatar in the top right corner and click Log Out in the menu that drops down. Thanks for watching. See you next time.